Hi guys, I'm Shrestha and I'm going to be comparing the similarities and differences between multiplying whole numbers and multiplying fractions. So the similarities are that they're both using multiplying, and which is basically repeated addition. And another similar thing is that they both use the properties of multiplication, like for example, if you multiply 1 by a number, it's itself, and if you multiply a number by 0, it becomes 0. And the differences are that for whole numbers, you're multiplying actual whole numbers, but when you're multiplying fractions, you're multiplying pieces of a whole. So yeah, those are the similarities and differences. For the example problem, I used 7 times 4, which equals 28, and 7/8 times 4, which equals 28/8. So thanks for watching. Bye.